guys, welcome to my channel Arts by Akshay. I know it's been a while people are requesting me to make a micro art video. So I thought why not? Many of you guys couldn't catch up with some of the steps from previous video. I thought why not show you the tricks and tips I figured out recently to make a beautiful micro art. I'm sure you guys can easily make one after watching this video. At least I want you guys to try doing it. So let's start with the video. This is my recent work which I tried. This is so far the longest name I have engraved on a lid, and I think it came out pretty good. And many of you guys been asking like what type of a pencil, like what thickness pencil do you use. I use a 10B pencil. Like of course there are so many companies producing it, so I'm trying different types of pencils nowadays. So the next doubt people have been asking me is like what type of bottle, what is the size of the bottle. This bottle is around 8 centimeter in length and 3 centimeter wide. So if you can google it, you can get this from the Amazon stores and gift shops and all. So this is a ready-made type of bottle, and here I'm showing like how I take the measurement for the pencil, how much should be the length of the pencil and all. So you have to consider the cork side also. So a bit of the pencil will be going inside the cork. According to that you can cut the pencil. Moving the excess wooden part from, like, you have to be extra careful guys when it comes to the left side. Use the precision knife, and this is the one of the tricks I have been using recently. Use the sandpaper instead of rubbing with your knife and all. So I have been seeing many people doing with the knife, and it is taking a lot of time. Even I used to do that like that. So I figured out like why we can't use a sandpaper instead. So within seconds you can remove the excess pencil lead on top of the, like, you might get a little bump here and there because it is not like evenly done, right? So make it even by using a precision knife. I'm doing that now. Excess part, use a sandpaper which is much smoother than before one. I'll be giving everything on the description box, so you can catch up with that. This is a 240 sandpaper I used. After that, by using a clutch pencil you can write the name, like what you want to engrave on the pencil. This is done because like you won't make a mistake in the future. I'm using a click pencil to give a stencil mark on the lead to make sure the letters are perfect. After that you can use a sharp tool. I'm using a tweezer here. By using a sharp tool you can make sure your letter and like the letters, the stencil work you done are more promising by giving a groove which helps you while removing the outer and inner pieces from the pencil lead. Use your knife to put a even spacing in between your letters. This will give you a more professional look for your micro art towards the end. From this part of the video, you can see how careful I am giving each drop and removing the excess material from the letter and giving it a fine bold letter look. A wrong move can destroy or wreck your lead completely or chipping a letter edge, which is awful and saddening. I have been through it, so be careful. Patience is the key. So we are done with our work. This is the final look of our micro art. If you want to give a little more polish, that'll be good. Uh, anyway, thanks for spending 14 minutes from your life for this video. I appreciate by thanking you and keep supporting me guys to make amazing content. Your like and share will be useful for me and others to start making a micro art of their own. Spread love.